How to transfer ownership of a Facebook page. First, open Facebook page. Then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. You can see your professional dashboard option, just tap on it. Scroll down under tools option, you can see page access, just tap on it. Here you are gonna see everyone who has currently accessed Facebook page. If you want to transfer ownership of your Facebook page, first you have to add the person if you haven't added the person as an admin. To add someone as an ownership, simply click on add new, then tap on next. Now add the name or email of the person that you want to transfer ownership. Once you selected the person, all you have to do is scroll down and allow this button on and click on give access. Then for your security, re-enter your Facebook profile password. As you can see, the person has been added. Once this person is added to Facebook page, you are going to be able to transfer ownership completely. Then you can remove yourself from the Facebook page and admin by opening off Facebook page and click on remove access. And once you have removed yourself from Facebook page, the ownership of the page will be transferred to new admin. This is how you transfer ownership of a Facebook page. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe us.